Germs are all around us, but there is a way to kill them. Hand washing. The Global Hand Washing Partnership defines hand washing as using soap and water to remove germs to prevent life-threatening infections. As someone who works with kids and is in school all day, I can get sick pretty often and accumulate a lot of germs. Since hand washing is a daily act of hygiene, it's important to know how it can protect yourself and others, prevent infection, and the method to properly wash your hands. So first, let's talk about how it decreases infections. Many infections spread through pathogens and can live on our hands. The Global Hand Washing Partnership wrote an article called Why Hand Washing, and they say that the two most common infections that spark from not washing your hands is pneumonia and diarrhea. And these diseases are the leading cause of death in children under 5, which is for about 20%. These can be life-threatening, but they could have been prevented if we're just able to hand wash. Another example is that 1 gram of a human feces has 10 million viruses and 1 million bacteria, and that just shows our body can produce and contain a lot of viruses, which hand washing is able to kill a lot of those off. The Global Hand Washing Partnership also studied that 4 out of 10 diarrheal cases were prevented by hand washing, which goes to show hand washing can go a long ways. Hand washing also protects yourself and others. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention says that germs spread the most when hands are unwashed during food prep, touching public objects, and can spread through human germs, such as sneezing, coughing, or after using the bathroom. You can't kill germs everywhere, but washing your hands is able to reduce them on yourself. The CDC also states the key times to wash your hands would be during, before, or after food prep, after using the toilet, touching animals, and after being outside. The Global Hand Washing Partnership also says that it can prevent the spread of the cold, flu, and respiratory infections down by 25%. As we've experienced COVID-19 in the past few years, such outbreaks such as Ebola hand washing can also prevent, which can also protect the community so you can keep the ones you love safe. Now, there is a proper method to wash your hands. The CDC has a 5-step guide on how we should be washing our hands. So the first step is to wash your hands with clean water. Next, you're going to lather soap onto your hands, getting under your fingernails and in between your fingers. Then you're going to scrub for at least 20 seconds. Then you're going to rinse with clean water and then dry your hands with a clean towel. Now, we don't always have access to hand washing, so it's recommended to use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol until you're able to wash your hands. So now we've discussed how hand washing can decrease infection, protect yourself, and the 5 steps to use when washing your hands. So think about all the things that you have touched today, and maybe other people have touched those. What germs are on your hands? Hand washing is just a simple act that's able to kill off those germs so you're able to protect yourself from not getting sick.